Good morning, students. Today I have to explain about radius and center of the circle. Clear? First of all, I want to tell about equation of circle. Means equation of circle. Clear? First one, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Second, x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And third one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Clear? Means this is equation of circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Second is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. In this formula where h and k both are coordinate of center of circle. Clear? And r is the radius of circle. And third formula is very most important, which I have to study. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where g and f coordinate of center of circle. Clear? Then here center is equal to minus a minus f, and radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. It is clear? With the help of this formula, we have to find the radius and center of given circle. First of all, going to simplify radius of given portion, given complex number. Now here z bar minus 2 plus 3i into z minus 2 minus 3i into z bar plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now this is question here. Now let z is equal to x plus iy. Clear? Because z is the complex number, then suppose z is equal to x plus iy. Now I have to put this value z is equal to x plus iy in this equation. Clear? Therefore z means x plus iy. Here x plus iy bar minus 2 plus 3i. Z means x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i and x plus iy bar plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Now x plus iy, and this means conjugate of x plus iy. Then what is a conjugate of x plus iy? Is x minus iy. X minus iy minus 2 plus 3i and x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i, x minus iy plus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? Clear? Okay, now x plus iy into x minus iy, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square, means x square minus b square means I square y square minus 2 into x 2x plus 2 yi plus 3 xi plus into plus plus sign here, 3 into y, 3y, I square. It is clear? Now minus 2 into x, 2x, minus 2yi, minus 3xi, minus into minus plus sign here, 3 into y, 3y, I into I square, and plus 2 is equal to 0. Only simply I have multiplied one bracket with other bracket. Now x square, I square means what? Minus 1 means plus y square, minus 2x minus 2yi minus 3xi. I square means what? Minus into minus plus I 3y. Now minus 2x minus into minus plus 2yi minus into minus plus 3xi. I square means minus into minus plus sign 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Now minus 2yi cancel by plus 2yi, minus 3xi cancel by plus 3xi. Now x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 3y plus 3y 6y and plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now this is the required equation of circle. Okay? But in this equation we have to find the radius and center of circle. So we have to compare these equations to this formula. Clear? Now here minus 4 is equal to 2g, that is g is equal to minus 2, and 6 is equal to 2f, f is equal to 3. Therefore center is equal to minus g minus f, minus g comma minus f is equal to minus g means what? 2 minus f means minus 3, and radius r is equal to what? Under root g square plus f square minus c, that is g means what? 2, 4 plus f means what? 3, 9 minus what is the value of c? C means what? Here 2 minus 2 is equal to what? 9 plus 4, clear? 13, 13 minus 2, clear? And radius r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c is equal to g means what? G is equal to 2 means 4, f is equal to 3 means 9, and c is equal to what? 2, clear? And c is equal to 2, clear? Then 9 plus 4, 13 minus 2 is equal to under root 11, clear? Now this is the radius. Understood? In this way we can solve other question also with the help of complex number, with the help of this formula. Understood? Now see the second question. Second question is given z1 is equal to 1 plus 2i and 1 is less than mod of z minus z1 is less than or equal to 3. Represent it with the help of an Argand diagram. Clear? First of all we have to solve and change into equation of circle. Understood? Then let z is equal to what? X plus iy. Clear? And z1 is equal to 1 plus 2i. It is given. Understood? It is given. Now going to put the value of z and z1 in this equation. Therefore 1 is less than mod of z means what? X plus iy minus 1 plus 2i less than equal to 3. Clear? Now 1 is less than x plus iy minus 1 minus 2i is less than 3. Clear? 1 is less than x minus 1 plus I y minus 2 is less than 3. Understood? Very simple. Now this is in the form of a plus ib here. Now here, what is the modulus of a plus ib? In previous video already I have told you, mod of a plus ib is modulus of a plus ib, that is under root x minus whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is less than equal to 3. Understood? Now there is two symbol. One is less than and total value is less equal to 3. Means given question we have to change into two part, split into two part. Then now 1 is less than under root x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now squaring both the side, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. 1 is less than equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2x y square plus 4 minus 4y. 1 cancel by this one. 0 is equal to means 0 is less than x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y and plus 4. Understood? Now 2x means x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4 is greater than 0. Now this is the equation of circle. Understood? Now comparing this equation to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Clear? Because this is a standard equation of circle and given questions have to compare to this equation. Now 2g is equal to minus 2, that is g is equal to minus 1. And 2f is equal to what? Minus 4. f is equal to minus 2. And c is equal to what? c is equal to 4. Clear? Understood? Now we have to make this diagram. X-axis, x dash means negative axis here. Y-axis, y dash means negative axis here origin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now, first of all, find the center. Center means what? Center is equal to minus j and minus f. J is equal to minus 1, 1. F is equal to minus 2 means 2. Radius is equal to what? Under g square means 1. F means 4 minus f 4, that is 1. Now 1, 2, 1 to here. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Clear? Here. This dot point is the center of circle. Radius is 1, means 1. Clear? Now this is a rough diagram here. You will make your copy. Then this is a help of an organ diagram. Means this is a diagram on the complex plane. Understood? Now similarly, when we can make this one, this means and if under root x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is less than equal to 3. With the help of this value, with the help of this rule, Also we can find this equation, means squaring both the side, x minus 1 whole square and y minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. Now here a square plus b square minus 2x, y square plus 5 minus 6y is less than 9 here. X square plus y square minus 2x, 6y. Cancel here, plus 1 is less than equal to 0. Clear? Now comparing this equation to that formula, to g is equal to what? Minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, and to f is equal to what? Minus 6, f is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to what? 1. Therefore, center is equal to minus a minus f, that is minus g means minus 1 means 1, minus f means 3, and radius r is equal to under root 1 square means 1 here, 9 minus 1 is equal to 3. Clear? Now diagram here, x, y, x dash means minus, y dash means minus, og 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Then here x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 3. 3. Clear? Radius is equal to what? 3. Means 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 here. Also here 1, 2, 3 means this here, 1, 2, 3 here. Clear? Means now this is the diagram. Then you can make the diagram, you can draw the diagram on the same plane, one plane, first one and second one. Clear? Understood? Very good. Now this is the last question. Question number 3 is a variable complex number z is such that the amplitude of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is always equal to pi by 4, and we have to draw the diagram on the complex plane here. Then do you know about this one? If z is equal to a plus ib, therefore tan theta is equal to what? b by a, or theta is equal to what? Tan inverse b by a, where theta is, what is theta? Theta is an amplitude. Clear? Is an amplitude. Understood? Now here solution here. First of all, let what? Either x plus iy. Clear? Z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. Now going to put here amplitude of this z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to what? X plus iy minus 1 upon x plus iy plus 1 is equal to x plus iy minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus iy. Clear? Now multiply by conjugate of this number into x plus 1 minus iy upon x plus 1 minus iy. Clear? X into this, x plus 1, x yi. Now this into this, iy, x plus 1. Are they very simple? We can write here x minus 1 plus iy, x minus 1 plus iy also. Clear? Now it is simple for you. This into this means what? X square minus 1. This into this minus iy in bracket x minus y. This into this into this, and this into this. Iy x plus 1 plus into minus minus, I into I square means minus 1 and y square. Whole upon what? X plus 1 whole square plus into minus minus, I into I square means plus 1 y square. Now x square plus y square, very simple. Here minus 1 plus here I in bracket yx plus y minus yx, minus into minus plus means y. Understood? And whole upon what? X plus 1 whole square plus y square whole upon x plus 1 whole square plus y square. It is clear? Very simple. I is the common, yx plus y minus minus into plus minus sign yx minus into minus plus sign y into y. Now cancel here. Now x square plus y square minus 1 upon what? X plus 1 whole square plus y square plus I into y in plus y, 2i upon what? X plus 1 whole square plus y square. Clear? Now what is the amplitude of this one? Therefore amplitude of this value is equal to what? Clear? Very simple. Tan inverse b by y means what? 2y whole upon this. This by this means cancel both here, and x square plus y square minus 1. It is a given. Amplitude means it is given. What? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Now tan pi by 4 is equal to 2y upon x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 2y upon x square y square minus 1. Now cross multiplication, x square y square minus 1 is equal to 2y x square y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? Now comparing given questions to what? Comparing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now g is equal to 0, minus 2 is equal to 2f, f is equal to minus 1. Okay? Now find the center. Minus a and minus f means 1. Radius is equal to what? G square means 0 square plus 1 square